Today we're going to be talking about how to set up and test your Advertiser Postback. This is the critical mechanism where the advertiser server signals back to Everflow that a successful conversion has occurred. That would be something like a purchase or a sign up. The Advertiser Postback must return the unique transaction ID that Everflow generated during the initial click. This ID is the link that associates the conversion event back to the original partner, offer, and click. So let's discuss the setup flow. The process involves ensuring two things. One, the partner tracking link successfully passes the transaction ID macro to advertiser's landing page or system. And two, the advertiser accurately configures the postback URL on their side. This is often found in the Global Postback section, or specific offer settings, to fire the ID back to Everflow upon conversion. Testing confirms the full attribution flow works, validating that Everflow receives the signal, processes the variables like sale and amount, and correctly records the conversion status, approved or rejected. The Advertiser Postback report is the primary tool for validation, acting as a log of every time an advertiser attempts to fire a conversion signal to Everflow. This report helps identify if conversions were accepted or rejected, and the reason why. A retailer launching a large holiday sale campaign needs to absolute confidence that the correct sale value is recorded. They configure the Advertiser Postback to include the amount equals sale value parameter and test it thoroughly using the Advertiser Postback report to confirm the revenue is correctly calculated for various cart sizes before pushing high volume traffic. Okay, let's look at an example. A software-as-a-service business utilizes Salesforce to manage leads. They need attribution for late-stage conversions, such as opportunity closed or won. These happen 45 days after the click. They integrate their CRM to fire a server-to-server postback when the status changes, ensuring the postback includes the originally stored transaction ID. Or if they're using email attribution, they can do that as well, to correctly credit the partner who generated the initial lead 2 weeks earlier. Okay, let's look at another example. A client launching a new mobile game uses an MMP, or mobile measurement partner, like Singular. Since Singular handles the actual device attribution, the Everflow team is responsible for setting up the Advertiser Postback URL in Singular's platform. The team must ensure Singular correctly maps their internal transaction token back to Everflow's expected transaction ID parameter when reporting an install or in-app purchase event. Let's talk about caps. Caps are essential limits applied at the offer, partner, or offer group level. They're crucial for adherence to advertiser budgets and internal capacity constraints.